In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in Kling AI. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to change language in Kling AI, you need to go ahead and first log into your account. Once you are in your account, you can change this language from one language to another. For instance, maybe if your current language is Chinese and you wish to switch to English, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and identify this icon here, and that is your profile icon. From here, go ahead and click on the profile setting icon that is just next to your name, and then by clicking on it, you should see your account settings. Head down to switch language or languages here, and you should see your current language. For my case, I'm currently using English. Once you have identified it, go ahead and click on the drop down here, and you should see we have these other languages that you can switch from. So for instance, if your language is Chinese and you wish to switch to English, now you can choose English from here, and that will change your profile language in Kling. So that's how you can change your language in Kling AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.